Here we present the 5 best compound miter saw. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. DEWALT Compound Miter Saw. The DEWALT DWS779 Compound Miter Saw is present in the first position in this article as it offers a great balance between price and performance. You get a powerful 15-amp electric motor in this saw. This powers a 12-inch cutting blade that is one of the largest options out there when compared with other options. Its motor offers a high speed of 3,800 RPM that can easily cut through even hard materials without any issues. You can use it to cut 6.75-inch deep objects without any issues. Number 2. Genesis Compound Miter Saw. This Genesis GMS 1015 LC sliding miter saw is present in the second position in this article, as it is the cheapest option present in this article. Even then, you get decent performance from this miter saw. It comes with a 15-amp electric motor that offers high speed. It powers a 10-inch blade that is quite decent for the given price. While you only get a 2-year warranty with it, its build quality is quite decent. You get a 60T carbide cutting blade in this saw that can easily last for a long time. Number 3. Bosch Glide Miter Saw. Bosch's sliding miter saw is present in the third position in this article, as it can be a great option if you are looking for premium options. As per its name, it comes with a cutting blade that has a diameter of 12 inches that makes it one of the largest options out there. It uses a powerful 15-amp electric motor to power this cutting blade for easy cutting. You get clean cuts while using this miter saw as it has a total of 60 teeth. Number 4. Delta Power Equipment Miter Saw. The Delta sliding miter saw is one of the more compact options out there as it has a 10-inch cutting blade. This blade is powered by a 15-amp electric motor that offers decent performance for the given price. One of the most unique features of this saw is that it comes with an inbuilt laser for extra precision. This sliding miter saw is that it comes with a 2-year warranty and a decent build quality. It comes with a bevel angle range of 0 degrees to 45 degrees that can be easily adjusted. Number 5. Metabo Compound Miter Saw. Metabo HPT C12 RSH2S sliding miter saw is the most reliable and durable option present in this article. This is due to the reason that it offers an excellent build quality along with a 5-year-long warranty that is much better than other options out there. Just like various other options out there, it comes with a 12-inch cutting blade. It uses a 15-amp electric motor that results in high performance while using this miter saw. This has a 60-tooth carbide that can easily last for a long time. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.